So today I want to highlight my favorite product. Because I'm a bridal artist, this is probably the most used product in my kit. I put this in all of my team's kits. Like everybody, every client has this on their face. So I actually use this in a couple different ways. So let me tell you. So the first one, if I'm doing a bride and I want to give her a little more pop or a little more shine, or if I'm even taking her, if she wants a natural look at the beginning for the ceremony and wants a second look for the reception, I may kind of do this little trick. So I'll take the setting spray. You can either spray it on a palette or directly on the brush. I go directly on the brush. So I'm going to spray the brush. I am going to grab a little bit of product, a little bit of eyeshadow, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pop a little bit of highlight right in the center of my eye. Now you can do this whether it's for mother of the bride, any client. What you're seeing is this setting spray is actually making it even shinier. It's giving it more of a pop, and it's not going to move. So when I'm actually doing the client, I would obviously take a little bit of a blending brush and I would blend it out just so that the lines are nice and soft. So that's one way I would use it. The main way that I use it in my business is every single client gets sprayed. So I am not a big fan of using powder. Powder sets in fine lines. It enhances wrinkles. I do a lot of mother of the brides, a lot of mother of the grooms, various members of the wedding party. Sometimes I'm doing second time around brides. So it really is important not to use powder for me. I like to use a setting spray, and this setting spray is going to last a good 15, 16 hours, which is so important to me. I mean, you've got 112, 115 degree weather. You've got brides that are crying. I mean, it's just so important that this makeup stays on. So anyhow, let me show you the process that I do. I always start, I shake it up a little bit, make sure the product's all mixed. And then I first start in a T pattern. Okay. And then I come in a diagonal. That way I've just covered the entire face. Okay. I'm going to let this sit. I'm going to do this process 2 times, maybe 3, just depending on the client and depending on the weather.